Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I'm a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I'm going to talk about a very important landmark judgment, which is the Schooner Exchange versus McFadden. It is a 1812 judgment, and this case was a significant case which was heard by the United States Supreme Court, which dealt with the issue of sovereign immunity. The case involved a dispute between the owners of the Schooner Exchange, a vessel owned by the United States, and McFadden, a private individual who had obtained possession of the schooner in Philadelphia. The owners of the schooner claimed that the vessel was immune from seizure under the principle of sovereign immunity as it was owned by the United States government. The key question before the Supreme Court was whether the vessel, being owned by the United States, was immune from the jurisdiction of the US courts. The court held that a foreign warship owned by a sovereignty state is generally immune from the jurisdiction of the courts of another country unless the foreign state waives its immunity. It stated that sovereign immunity is a principle of international law that ensures mutual respect and prevents interference by one state's courts in the affairs of another sovereign state. The court noted that under international law, a state's immunity extends to its property and assets, including warships. It reasoned that granting immunity to foreign warship helps maintain peaceful relations between nations and prevents diplomatic conflicts. The court emphasized that the principle of sovereignty or the sovereign immunity is grounded in customs and comity, which are essential for maintaining harmonious international relations. In this case, the court held that the schooner exchange, being owned by the United States, was immune from the jurisdiction of the US courts, and therefore McFadden's seizure of the vessels was not valid at all. This decision established an important precedent for the doctrine of sovereignty immunity in the United States and clarified the circumstances under which foreign vessels owned by sovereign states could claim immunity from the jurisdiction of US courts. The case underscored the importance of respecting the sovereignty of other nations and the principle of foreign states should be immune from the jurisdiction of domestic courts. So I hope you guys are okay with this video and everything I made is clear. So if you guys have any doubt, just ping me in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much and have a nice day, guys.